Welcome to today's coffee creation. We're making a Frappuccino or iced French vanilla latte. I'll show you step by step how to get that rich cafe quality taste at home, so grab your ingredients and let's dive into this deliciously sweet icy treat. Cook for you spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for You presents French Vanilla Iced Latte. Take 1 tablespoon any instant coffee if you love strong flavor. Otherwise, take 1 teaspoon. I have Tim Horton French Vanilla. Instead of this, you can even add vanilla syrup or essence. Take 2 tablespoons French vanilla. Add 2 tablespoons brown or caster sugar. For frothing coffee, you can use various methods, such as a strainer, whisk, or even bottle jar. You can shake the coffee in the tightly closed bottle. Now add some hot water into the glass. I have coffee frother, so I'm gonna mix it up with frother. You can use any method that I have shown earlier. Whisk well. The glass is short, so I'm gonna pour it into the tall glass. Whisk well. Keep whisking until creamy and frothy. Keep aside. Now foam the milk as well. Take some milk and use frother to foam it until it becomes light and airy. If you don't have a frother, you can shake the milk in a tightly closed jar. Add some ice cubes in a glass. Now pour velvety foamy smooth coffee. Gently pour the frothy milk over the foamed coffee. You can also add vanilla ice cream or cream. Perfectly chilled delicious coffee treat is perfect for any coffee lover. Velvety texture that makes each sip extra satisfying. Sprinkle some French vanilla on top. Whether you're looking for relaxing afternoon pick-me-up or simply craving a deliciously sweet treat, experience this ultimate refreshment of our French vanilla Frappuccino. Have it chilled. Stir with straw and enjoy your refreshing, foamy iced French vanilla latte. We hope this will become your new favorite. Do try it out, and let me know what you think in the comments. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.